Okay, everybody, here's my latest engine. That my gift from David McIntire. It is a Fox 45, and don't laugh when I say this, but I was so excited about running this thing, I went ahead and just fired it up and didn't even have my phone ready to record, so I shut it off real quick. So anyhow, without further ado, let's fire this thing up. I'm running a APC 10.6 prop. I don't know what kind of plug it is. I just took it out of another two-stroke I had, and I got some Omega 15%. So we'll see what happens here. There we have it. Very good running engine, and like I say, this is a gift from David, and I'm ecstatic. I don't know what to say. I'm so happy. So it's definitely gonna stay in my collection. This is one I'll never get rid of. So again, Dave, I really appreciate it. You are the man, like I've always said. So I'll have any questions, like, subscribe, and I appreciate it.